So guys, in today's video, we will learn how to fix the Snapchat slowdown error and how to accept friend request from your friends again or send them friend request. First, let's understand why the Snapchat slowdown issue occurs on Snapchat, because if you do not know the reason, you might repeat the same mistake. The Snapchat slowdown error mostly occurs when you send or accept a large number of friend requests in a short period of time. This can cause the slowdown error on Snapchat. Now let us understand how you can fix this issue. If you encounter this issue, you need to wait at least 10 to 20 minutes before sending or accepting any new friend request. If the issue still persists, you can unfriend some of your Snapchat or friend with whom you have not chatted for a long time or whom you do not know personally, because Snapchat slowdown issue also occurs if you have already exceeded the friend limit on Snapchat. So guys, by using these two methods, you can easily fix your Snapchat slowdown issue. And if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. You must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.